fam, welcome back to your channel, and to my lovely Haitian family, I welcome you as well. Moi dis bienvenue sur Channel Parlant, sur petite vidéo ça côté que je vais montrer toute information de belles cheveux ça. Okay, so I must admit that I could not wait to come and meet with you to this exciting video, and that's largely because of this gorgeous hair. So go ahead and get comfortable and we'll talk briefly about the hair. Okay, so I just found out this awesome company and they were super nice to send me this gorgeous hair, as I mentioned before. I am in love, absolutely in love with the hair. I love the gorgeous golden ombre color. It is perfect for summer. I could see myself rocking this for the whole summer or winter. It is a taped in extension, 100% Remy human hair. Basically, this hair comes in 14 to 22 inches. The model name is T2/6. It comes 20 pieces per pack. The company sent me 2 packs. Those were the boxes that I showed you before. And these boxes, and as you saw from the beginning, the boxes included lashes, it included a comb, a reptile comb, and also the instruction thank you card. I feel the hair is very full, as you can see, and this is, like I said before, they sent me 2 packs. I wanted to just use 1 pack just to fit my style, and it's still super full. So I know you will love it. You guys, this company is the real deal right now. And I'm not just saying that just because I got the hair, but I'm saying it because truly I'm in love with it. Look at it. Look at it. Come on. You know you love it. I am by no means a professional, and this was super easy for me to install. So if you want this hair, do check out AmazingBeautyHair.com. And just because you are all such loyal subscribers, they are offering you special discount. Just type in LXSophie for a $10 discount. So this is it, you guys. I just wanted to come in here real quick and share the news with you. So this is not goodbye, but I see you later, darlings.